Now you will listen the special update in English.
In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a court designated by India's notorious National Investigation Agency (NIA) has framed charges against illegally detained chairperson of Doktarani Millat Asiya Indrabi and 8 others in a 3-year-old fake case. The NIA special judge put Asiya Indrabi, her 2 associates Nahida Nasreen and Fahmida Sofi, and 6 others on trial under draconian law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The 3 Doktarani Millat leaders are already detained at New Delhi's Tihar jail since 2018. Meanwhile, NIA summoned 40 teachers today in connection with the killing of 2 teachers in Srinagar. The NIA today raided multiple locations in the territory. Over 500 people have been arrested in the valley so far. Hurriyat leader Shabir Ahmed Dar, Abdul Ahad Para, Yasmin Raja and Grand Mufti Nasrul Islam visited the house of Sikh school principal Supinder Kaur at Alucha Bagh in Srinagar and expressed solidarity with the aggrieved family. The United Sikh Forum President Manmeet Singh, in a media interview in Srinagar, appealed to the communities of the territory to get united against common enemy. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet said that the situation in the territory has gone from bad to worse as a result of muscular policy being pursued by the Indian government. She said that she was placed under house arrest to prevent her from visiting the family of a Muslim man who was shot dead by Indian forces in Islamabad district on Thursday. The group of concerned citizens, a non-political civil society group comprising academicians, businessmen, advocates, scientists and former judges, in a statement in Srinagar, vehemently condemned the Indian forces for attempting to create a wedge between different communities living peacefully in the valley. The group sought a time-bound judicial probe into the dastardly killings of teachers and others. On the other hand, over 50 sarpanchs and panchs have resigned in 2 blocks of Ramban district for lack of promised empowerment. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and Hurriyat leaders Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, Khwaja Firdoz, Mukhtar Ahmed Waza, Muhammad Shafi Lon and High Court Bar Association have condoled the demise of world-famous Pakistani nuclear scientist Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan and former Prime Minister and President of Azad Jammu Kashmir Sardar Sikandar Hayat Khan. A rally was organized by Pasbani Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir in Muzaffarabad today to pay glowing tributes to the veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani. Big powers and their favored countries are misusing the Financial Action Task Force as a political tool to intimidate countries like Pakistan to toe their line. A report said that putting Pakistan on FATF's grey list is definitely more political than anything else, as the task force is showing prejudice against Pakistan to maintain its credibility. The watchdog has itself recognized that Pakistan has complied with 26 out of 27 demands, but the Western powers are using FATF to pressurize Islamabad to follow their agenda.